Happy Skullpanda Saturday. I can now participate because this is my very first Skullpanda. I got her confirmed and I got her on Whatnot. Here are the options. I still want some more from this series, but I got one for now. Ooh. The official Don't Eat Me packet. Oh, and she's gonna match my look. Oh, she's beautiful. Look at her little butterfly dress. I need more Skullpandas, y'all. She's gorgeous. Okay. So we have lightning. Very happy with my Skullpanda. Happy Skullpanda Saturday, y'all. Bye.